Namaste. Hamisha खुश रहो. Myself Jeevan Jyoti Kumawat, Faculty of Education and Methodology. Students, today I am going to start the topic on the assessment of learning for the program BSc B.Ed, BA B.Ed, 4th semester. Students, today's topic is pedagogical decision making through the lens of teacher preparation program. You know that pedagogical decision making is very important for professional teachers. It concerns belief, self-efficacy, and action that teachers expose to classroom. This in this employed theoretical lens and education policy is Thailand to examine the previous teachers' views about decision making. Discussions helps schools mentors understood pre-services teacher to pedagogical decision making the teacher. The implication of study can be used for science teacher education to promote 21st century situation. Teacher is a key agent to transfer students learning to have knowledge, skill and attribute which society need. Based on the education reform and teacher education reform, the society need effectiveness and qualified teachers by different views. Science teachers also to understand nature of education, create curriculum and instruction that meet the requirements of science education standards. They are now facing pedagogical knowledge and content knowledge in the rapid change era. The pedagogical decision making is very important to their teaching, which helps them to get success in science classroom. The education reform seems to be do as a key tools for describing what and how practicing in the quality of education. Knowledge, skill, and attributes play important role, and the reform should incorporate into education by appropriate process in both quantity and the quality. So the society to knowledge society also opened the window of opportunity in education for all. The lifelong learning is ideal philosophy to develop the quality of the education. The concept of education reform will be practical if we don't focus only knowledge and academic competitions, which is emphasized on subject matter. The policy maker, Ministry of Education and related education organization try to generalize policy to practice by various kinds of methods. The most hidden agenda that we can drive quality of education in which we believe we have to develop teacher competency in teaching profession. In social impact will be great for making 21st century learners knowledge based society and creative economy based society. All of the teachers can do and change by effective instructions and pedagogical decision making, which is PDM driven. The educational policy and professional practices are implemented by teacher council by the teacher, distributed by university and school levels. Pre-services teacher should have one of the most skilled pedagogical and content knowledge. In 1986, this decision making is a key skill which teachers have to know and practice in the school. And it is also practically important to be an effective educator. And this decision making can reflect professional performance, which determine of what teacher competence. Different opinion of good teacher and good teaching can be distinguished. This pedagogical decision making, the field of teacher preparation program have studied decision making is an instruction that is central feature of the teacher role in classroom management. The decision may be done in differently motivated with role and responsibility. Claim that interactive decision making is the process of selecting and rejecting alternate course of action during instruction. Teacher need to improve their skills of considering possible decision based on student behavior in order to increase the quality of decision making. And the teacher is a key role in classroom for managing quality and quantity in students' behavior. Decision in classroom can shape students as well as teacher transform belief to profession. Thinking and decision making has been provided teacher educators with a collective wisdom of tools, strategy and experience that they can utilize to promote preserves teachers' ability to make complex teaching decisions. Thank you.